The bull run has officially started. Ethereum and Bitcoin are breaking levels of resistance. They are going crazy. Yet Dogecoin isn't really going crazy like these cryptos. In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why this is and what is about to happen to cryptos, because it is about to get crazy. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. In my videos, we are able to call out big plays before they happen for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. If you want to get access to my private trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, we are in huge profits in the Patreon. Join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or my video's description, where you can message me anytime. We can build you a portfolio so you can have a good, profitable year this year and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this coming Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We're gonna get started right now, but before we do, make sure you smash up the like button if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, and let me know, how do you think the month of August is going to play out for Dogecoin? What is your price prediction for the end of the month of August for Dogecoin? So congratulations to all of you who did not sell, who had diamond hands, and who bought my buy alerts in the Patreon. We were able to buy Dogecoin at 15 cents, Ethereum at 1,700, Bitcoin 29,000, and much more. We are in significant profits. It's definitely good to see that. It did take a while of holding, a lot of patience, and that's why I told you all cryptos are about to blast off. They can blast off any second, and they finally did. They literally out of nowhere went all the way back up 43,000. Ethereum nearly 2,700 from 1,700. And basically just a week. So we have a lot of very important information. The bull run is getting started right now. The second bull run has just started, and we are going to be talking about what is about to happen for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin. So as you know, certain months are historically bullish or bearish for cryptocurrencies, and I have something to tell you. And the month of August, is a historically very bullish month for cryptocurrencies. So you guys better strap up. You guys better get ready, because big things are going to happen. Just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm not guaranteeing anything. But there's a very, very high chance of the month of August being extremely bullish for cryptocurrencies, especially because the prices of cryptocurrencies were suppressed for months. For months, they were suppressed, pushed down with FUD, with news, with fear, and now they are beginning to take off. So I think cryptos are about to blast off faster and higher than we've ever seen them before. We have this German law allowing institutional funds to hold crypto comes into effect August 2nd. So tomorrow they're going to allow as much as $415 billion to buy cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. This is going to have a huge effect on the price of cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin super cycle sets up for Q4. The Bitcoin price top is as a liquid supply hits all-time highs. So what they're saying is that these people, remember, like, you know, Bitcoin was at 30,000, or like, okay, well, we don't think Bitcoin can hit 250 or 300,000 by the end of the year, which are still in the play, ladies and gentlemen. This news article, from all of this information, they're saying that Bitcoin is still in play. Cryptocurrencies are still in play to hit those high numbers that we were talking about earlier this year. I personally am going to lower my expectations a little bit more because of the price action that we have seen the last couple of months, which has pushed us back. I personally think if we didn't get all that fear and that FUD, Bitcoin could potentially be 90 to 100K right now. Dogecoin, who knows what Dogecoin would be, and Ethereum. So they're saying that a repeat of a Q4 blow off top is expected. New all-time highs into 2022 seems likely. The super cycle, the last cycle, will depend on what happens in 2023. They're saying that we are in this crazy super cycle because there's a huge supply shortage for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is causing the price of cryptos to go up like crazy, especially Ethereum and Bitcoin just this last week. And a lot of you are wondering, okay, why is Dogecoin? Why are some of these altcoins not moving yet? Just give it time. Bitcoin and Ethereum, most of the money is flowing from institutions right now to bring up these prices. When retail investors, when they start to see that cryptos are blasting off, that they're about to take off, then they're going to start FOMOing into Dogecoin, to some of these altcoins. These institutions are even going to start getting access to altcoins. So that's why we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. However, Dogecoin is still moving up. We've had nearly 12 days in a row for Dogecoin, except one day. There's one day that we can't count as green in a row. But don't worry. We see this all the time. We see Dogecoin just kind of standing still while Bitcoin and Ethereum go up. And then boom, out of nowhere, Dogecoin goes up 20 or 30%, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are only up like 1 or 2 or 3%. So continue to have patience with diamond hands. Your diamond hands will be rewarded, as I've been telling all of you this whole time. The crypto fear and greed index has now switched even more into green. We are headed into greed, ladies and gentlemen. Headed into greed. I told you all when we were at extreme fear, when we start to head into green, that is the sign of the second bull run, and people are going to start FOMOing in because they are greedy. The sentiment now is no longer fearful, but people are now getting greedy. They want to make money. They want to put money in. They want to FOMO. This is almost like a FOMO index. When you see this thing start to get high in greed, they are starting to FOMO, and it's just beginning. Now take a look at this information. It's extremely important. This is explaining to us why cryptos are taking off. It's part of the reason of this. So Bitcoin's exchange action was a primary initiator of the breakout we saw this week. Bitcoin's price hit 42.5, and there were huge exchange activity swings favoring coins moving off of exchanges Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday to push prices upwards. So right here, right on the right side, we're seeing these huge exchange outflows, which means people are removing their cryptocurrency from the exchanges, and they're putting it in cold storage. They're putting it in hard wallets. They're putting it in places they plan on holding long term. So what this does to the available supply on the exchanges like Coinbase, like Kraken, is it basically removes them, because these exchanges only have so much cryptocurrencies that they can sell to you. Eventually, there's going to be a period of time where you might not be able to buy Bitcoin. You might not be able to buy Ethereum. And if you do, it's going to be an extremely high premium because of how rare it is. Just like, Rolexes are certain very valuable and rare items. They get very expensive because there's not much left. That's what is about to happen. And that's what's been actually happening to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, especially since last year. And we're starting to see it again at a very rapid pace, just like we saw last year when that huge bull run started, when Bitcoin basically went to 4,000 all the way to 60,000 plus. So this information is confirming the second bull run and that things are getting hot in the market. Most importantly, let's take a look at some technical analysis. Let's take a look primarily at Bitcoin and then at Ethereum, and then we're going to take a look at Dogecoin. So for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, with the RSI, we are definitely seeing an overbought position, which means we can come down anytime. That would be very likely. For Bitcoin, the MACD on the daily, we're seeing an extremely bullish signal. So cryptocurrencies are continuing to head up. We're also seeing the same thing for Ethereum. A bit oversold, a bit overbought in the RSI. The MACD is looking extremely bullish on the daily. So what we are seeing, if we go into the 4 hour, the MACD for Bitcoin was getting a cross, a bearish cross, but for the MACD for Ethereum, we're getting a bullish cross. So for Ethereum, we've had a huge breakout. Now we're coming to approach this next level of resistance, which we are breaking right now, is 25. Now it's at 2,600. The next level is going to be 2,890. That is the next level of resistance, give or take. Bitcoin is at resistance right now, and our next level to be looking at is about 46,000. That's our next level of resistance for Bitcoin. For Dogecoin, we are actually still continuing to head up. This is still very bullish. Yes, we've had a spike here, come down, spike here, but we're slowly moving up, which is definitely good to see. And if you compare Cardano, it's nearly the same type of pattern, but Dogecoin is in the green today. It's still looking good. So what we see very often in the crypto market, when Bitcoin, when Ethereum, they're blasting off, and Dogecoin and some of these altcoins don't do anything, just give it time, give it patience, because a day later, a couple of days later, maybe a week, sometime later, we see Dogecoin pop off, maybe because of me, maybe because of a tweet or something, and it causes it to go up 30-40%. We see this all the time. So just continue to have patience. Dogecoin is moving in the right direction. What we care most importantly about is the whole crypto market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We want the strength of the market to be strong. We want it to continue to go up, and it's breaking levels of resistance, which is definitely the most bullish thing we've seen in a very long time. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptocurrencies with anytime. And make sure you join the Patreon, where you can join the 4,000 member Discord. You can message me, we can build you a portfolio and much more. And if you guys got something out of the video, smash the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.